In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove subtitles from a video on Capcut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Capcut on your device and head over to that specific project where you want to remove the subtitles to. So as you can see in here, this project isn't that long since this project is only 52 seconds, and I can simply edit the placing of each of the subtitles by dragging each of this depending on where I want to drag it. But to be able to simply remove a subtitle or all of the subtitle, what you can do is to click on that specific subtitle and click on the delete button to remove one subtitle. Now if you want to remove all of the subtitles for this video, just go ahead and click on this edit captions and click on the select button at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on select all. Now in here, go ahead and click on the delete button to be able to delete all of the subtitles added to your video. Now this tool will allow you to easily delete all the subtitles that you have for your video if you have a longer video, or if you want to delete multiple subtitles at the same time on the same video. And that is how you can simply remove subtitles on Capcut.